An estimated 54.4 million American adults were told they had some form of arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis, gout, lupus, between 2013 and 2015. According to the Center of Disease Control and Prevention, arthritis can affect any part of the body where joints exist, and your toes are not an expectation. In fact, toe arthritis is very common and many people suffer from the painful problem. So here are home remedies for big toe arthritis. So number one is contrast hydrotherapy. Both cold and warm water treatments, popularly known as hydrotherapy, can help reduce the discomfort of big toe arthritis. While the warm water helps improve blood circulation in the affected area, the cold water helps reduce the swelling and inflammation. Fill two small tubs, one with cold water and one with warm water. First soak the feet affected toe in warm water for 3 to 4 minutes. Then put the toe in the cold water for 1 minute. Continue alternating steps 2 or 3 for 15 minutes. Repeat the treatment 3 or 4 times daily until you get relief. Caution: be careful to avoid extreme temperature in the water. So number 2 is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is useful in relieving joint pain in the big toe due to arthritis. It helps remove the buildup of toxin in the joints and connective tissue. It also has anti-inflammatory and alkaline formatting properties that help reduce pain and stiffness in the joints. So you have to do mix equal amount of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar and lukewarm water into a food tub. Soak your big toe in this solution for 13 minutes. When done, dry your feet thoroughly. Do it twice daily. Notice an improvement in the pain and swelling. Also mix 1 tablespoon of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar into a glass of warm water and added a little honey for taste. Drinking twice a daily. Number 3 is warm oil massage. Massaging the arthritis affected big toe with some warm oil is another effective way to reduce the pain and inflammation. Massage improves blood circulation and also encourage toxin drain to reduce swelling. So you have to do warm up some olive or coconut oil in the microwave. Dab the warm oil on the affected area. Using your fingers, do deep friction massage for 10 minutes. Repeat 2 or 3 times a day.